Reflections are a great special effect and quite easy to do with CSS3. So a few things to keep in mind when doing reflections: they'll update automatically and take up the style of the element they're applied to. So let's take a look at how that works. We've got a simple page here with just some text and an image. We're going to start by applying some code to the image. We'll add the WebKit box reflect command here, and we'll specify below 4 pixels. Now you can actually use different keywords instead of below, like above, left, and right, but most of the time you're going to want to apply a reflection below. Now, in addition to that, we probably want to fade out that image, so we'll need to add a gradient here. So we'll use a WebKit gradient linear from the left top to the left bottom, and the gradient's going to be transparent to an RGBA color. Let's take a look at this gradient here. It says it's going from the top left or the left top to the left bottom, from a transparent color to a color that's half opaque. But because it's reflected, the gradient actually goes from the bottom to the top instead of from the top to the bottom. And that's something to remember when you're adding these gradients. These colors will appear in reverse. Now, anytime you apply anything to this element here, like a border radius, you'll see that it'll also affect the reflection. Reflections will actually be animated and will take up any animation or transformation of the original object. Reflections are a quick way to add finesse to your images and can be applied to complex layouts. They update dynamically, so even when we add animations or transitions to the original element, you'll see them update automatically to your reflections.